How to embed a Digipad in the TwinSpace. Click on the gear icon to open the Digipad settings panel. From the settings panel, go to Link and QR code, and click the icon with the two overlapping sheets to copy the link to your clipboard. Go to the TwinSpace page where you want to embed your Digipad. Click on Page Options, and then select Edit Page. From the page editor, click on the iframe embed icon and, in the window that opens, paste the Digipad link into the URL field. In the URL field, paste the Digipad link. Set width to 100% and height to 700. Finally, click the check mark to insert the iframe into the page. Then save, and you're all set.